For the mold design, we first performed the SolidWorks design. Then we made a drawing of the core to create a cavity in the mold. Finally, we drew the frame for casting part. We had to divide the model to fit the mold, and we divided the part into two and made and female joints. Printing time. All products were printed using approximately 120 hours and 3.5 kilos of filament. We made of the core of the mold with a 3D printer and produced the core inside. We printed new model with PET-G, weight measurement of hardener, 75 grams of hardener per 1,000 grams of foundry sand, 150 grams of epoxy for 1,000 grams of foundry sand. First, the epoxy is poured, mixed, and all the sand becomes wet, when the hardener is added and the mixing is continued. Resin mixture. After the resin is fully mixed, the hardener is added and mixed. After we put the part inside the frame, we fill it with sand. We put the other piece on the top of the piece we buried first and then add sand on it, compress it. We first poured a release agent where the two molds meet. After fail, we prepared sand again using powder. We drilled 2 holes for the casting channel, one of the entrance and one for the exit. Moment of casting molten aluminium. After removing the casting from the mold, the remaining sand in the parts is removed. This is why the surface was rough due to deposits of powder used on the mold. Thank you for watching, and we would also like to express our gratitude to our advisor, Erdoğan Kanka, for his help and attitude towards us.